everybody. I'm getting lost in Montana, as you can see, right by the Yellowstone River. Right now, I'm going to teach you how to make this cool plane called the fish. I call it the fish because it twists and turns in the air gracefully and smoothly. Let's watch it fly. First, start with a regular sheet of printer paper and let's get started. First, fold it in half like a hot dog. Unfold that. Fold the corners to the center crease. I always like leaving gaps because it's better to leave a gap than them to overlap. So I'd suggest you do that. Now take this part, fold it down to here. Now if these have a little bump there, that's fine, just crease them down. Unfold that and fold this tip to that line that we just made. So it should look like this. Then you take this top part and fold it down on this crease, like that. Now you do that again, but way more farther. You take this, fold it all the way down to there. And you see these corners? Take these corners and fold them up to these corners. And the line should continue here all the way down. Now flip the paper over. Take this corner and fold it almost to the middle, but leave it about an inch away or else you will not be able to fold it. So it should look like this. Now you're gonna take this part, gonna squash it down, and it should go right on the center crease. Same with the other side. You fold it inch away and squash. So your model should look like this. Now, you take the whole entire paper and you see this line, fold it away from you on that line, like that. Now you can flip it to one side and fold this part down to this part to make the wings. Same with the other side. Okay, you're almost done with your model. All we have to do is make stabilizers and elevators. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna fold this up a little less than an inch. Should be good. Same with the other side. So now you have something like this. Now to make your plane fly better, you just want to bend this up just a tiny bit because it should already go up a little bit by the way it's made. Okay, so you're done with the Montana fish, and as you can see, even my baby brother can throw it.